On the outboard slats I was making 125 millimeters from the rib line, then another 100 millimeter line, and from the bottom 35 millimeters with a height of 65 millimeters. According to the plans, that's the space for the landing light. For the AERO LED recognition lights, I was marking the middle of the cutout and the middle of the landing light channel. On the bottom, I was drilling 3 size 40 holes, pitch 40. On the inside, I was placing some aluminium bands so that the landing light channel is not touching in the bend of the slat. As you can see, the landing light channel has a good distance to the bend of the slat. The holes in the top of the landing light channel I was pre-drilling with size 40. For transferring the holes I was using a hole duplicator. The landing light channel clicked in place with size 30. On the back of the slat we are installing an access panel for inspection of the landing light. Here now the access cover clicked in place. Here now the reinforcement ring, the access on the left slat and the access cover ready for priming. The distance from the bottom for the access is 35 millimeters, the diameter is 65 millimeters. The diameter of the access cover and the reinforcement ring is 110 millimeters. The holes for the washer head screws are drilled out to 5.5 millimeters. The A4 holes are dimpled for flush soft aluminium rivets. The reinforcement ring riveted in place with flush soft aluminium rivets size 30. Here now the access cover with the washer head screws. Here's the view from the inside.